So now let's see how we can utilize the photo grid option inside of Canva. In order to bring in the photo grid, I'm going to go to the elements section right over here. And here you can see that there's grids as an option. So I'm just going to click on see all and you'll be able to see the different grids that you can bring in. I'm going to bring in this one right over here. So simply click on it and you can see that over here, the photo grid is brought in. So now in order to add in our photos, now I can go to the photos section right over here and then bring in the photos that I want. So I'm going to click and drag in the photo right over here onto the grid just like that, and then the photo has been added to the grid. I can go around here, drag it just like this, and then that photo has been added. Just like that, I'm going to drag in another picture over here as well, and the photo has been added. So just like this, the photo grid is there. And now I can go around here and then double click around that, and this is just a crop of the photo itself. So I can move around just like I would while I'm cropping the photo, and I can click done to get the other part of the photo right over there, just like that. So now over here, you can see that this is a photo grid, so you have spacing as an option. So you can simply click over here and then you have an option for grid spacing. So you can change the spacing as you can see right over here, or decrease out the spacing right over here. And that is how you can work around with the photo grid. You can also resize the photo grid over here as you can see, and the image adjusts itself. You can also change out right over here, change out the size of the image right over here, keep it round, and now this acts as a single photo just like that as you can see.